Susan. Today I'm participating in Kiki DIY's Crafting from Our Cauldron challenge. I love Kiki, she's funny, she's sweet, and she's very talented. And I'm excited to be participating in this challenge. Please check out our channel as well as the playlist. It will be listed in the description box down below. I've had this basket from Dollar Tree for quite a while, and I used some ribbon that I had and just wrapped the ribbon and hot glued it around the top of the basket. And since the basket was tapered, I just kind of put pleats around the corners to make it more fitted at the bottom. I used this Apple Barrel Harvest Orange paint that I had, and I painted these wooden stickers that I had gotten at Dollar Tree last year. Once I got the orange painted, I just added just the least little bit of truffle to the orange. I'm sorry, you can't see it there, but just to shade in the pumpkin areas where the little grooves would be. I used this Waverly chalk paint and celery to paint the leaves and the stem, and then I went over the stem and shaded the leaves with more of that truffle color. I used my Sharpie oil paint pen to do my little jack-o'-lantern faces. Then I glued this pretty fall garland I got at Dollar Tree around the basket at the top. I just hot glued it in place and glued on the little pumpkins that I had decorated. Now I took this little hat I had gotten at Dollar Tree back during the 4th of July, and I removed the little elastic band that was underneath it and the staples that was holding it, and I painted it with the Waverly chalk paint and ink. And while it was drying, I decided to work on my pumpkins. I hot glued big googly eyes on both of my pumpkins. And then I finished drawing in the faces with the same Sharpie oil-based paint pen that I had used before. Then my hat still wasn't dry, so I decided to use a hairdryer. And guess what? It melted it. But it didn't matter. I painted the underside of the rim, and it just gave it a little jaunty look. I gave my girl pumpkin some red lips. And then I fixed her up real pretty. I gave her white lace and just hot glued it all the way around where her neck would be. You might have guessed where I'm going with this. I decided to look for some more lace to make a veil, but I really wasn't happy with the way that was going. But then I remembered what I had. I had been saving it. I thought I might use it for a different project, but didn't. I had some doll hair, so I gave her a wig. She's got to look the best for this special day. Now her veil looks perfect. This time when I used my hairdryer on the hat, I just kept it on low, and it was fine. And now the groom is starting to look debonair. I gave him a hat band with some pretty lace that I had left over from a previous project. And then I added just a small piece of garland that I had left over. And now I just want to give my bride some pretty earrings. And here's the happy couple with their decorations. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified for all my videos that I upload. And until next time, bye y'all.